like a Hellcat.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Figure of Speech. Today's video we have got Pentagon Jr. from Series 2 of All Elite Wrestling. I believe this is going to be the figure of the year for the wrestling collectors. Just amazing detail. Let's just run my camera up a little bit so you can see it. But don't forget, like, subscribe to this video, follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. We'll have a lot more great content coming for you soon. But here's a quick look at him in the box. Been really looking forward to this one. There's on the back. So it's from the AEW Double or Nothing pay-per-view in Las Vegas last year. And on the bottom there we go. We've got John Moxley, Hangman Adam Page, MJF, Ray Phoenix and Dusty Rhodes. We've already done Dusty Rhodes and MJF. On the hunt out for these last three. Haven't seen Ray Phoenix anywhere in the UK yet. I don't think anybody's got him yet. But hopefully, leading up to Christmas, there's going to be a few more coming out. So, let's open him up and have a real good look at him. So he's out of his box. Pentagon Jr. Absolutely amazing figure. The feel, look at it. Detail on that face and the mask. So what I like about, especially luchas, they're just so toyetic. Doesn't matter. I don't think I've ever really seen one that's, you know, like Rey Mysterio's. Always comes up with some amazing costumes. They always turn out really well. This one is a definite top 5 figure. So we've got the knee bends. Let's go for the joints quickly. On both sides. Look at even the oh, there we go. Tattoos. Even right down onto the elbow. Amazing detail. Really done an outstanding job on this. A little bit wobbly there. Only a little downside of it, but nothing major. Skin tone's really well done now. I think they found the formula. That's what they needed. We also get a spare hand. So this one's the he does the, I can't remember how we pronounce it, but it's like the no fear. But yeah, really pleased with this. It feels so good in hand, very weighty. I think photography wise, this is definitely going to be one of the best ones to use in your figure photography. Hopefully can get hold of his brother, Ray Phoenix. He's been very hard to find at the minute. I don't think he's been shipped with the first lot to the UK. I've been very lucky to get hold of this, and hoping to get hold of the others. But it seems as soon as they're coming out, they are selling out so quick. It's been a bit of a task. They have said that they're improving their shipping eventually. So I think next year, I think it's going to be a lot easier to get hold of these. I don't think distribution is going to be a problem at all. But there he is. Pentagon Jr. and yeah, I think he's definitely got to be the figure of the year for me, especially ones that I've brought, and out the AEW line. It is the best one so far. But hopefully I'll get my hands on the 2-pack in the next couple of weeks. I'm looking forward to reviewing that and seeing if they can top this. But there he is. So, thank you very much for joining me for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and follow us on all over mainstream for more awesome content. And see you later.
Like a Hellcat.